If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for the short-term trade I have going on the USD JPY pair here. As you can see, we are in on a sell position, looking for some moves to the downside. Basically looking to scalp out with profits at around $20 in profit. There we go. Boom, there we go. So that's actually more than what we wanted to get out at. So we actually got a nice $27 profit there in the short term. Let me go ahead and show you what got me into that position there. So over here on the chart, as you can see, we had a fantastic break to the downside, which is actually a trend continuation. As you can see back here, big downtrend after a long uptrend as well. So the most recent long-winded trend is a sell trend or a downward move. So as you can see here, approaching our breakout move here, we actually did have some volume divergence across the field on, bullish side of things as well as the bearish side. But what is most important to keep track of is the bullish volume divergence as it touches the upside of the Bollinger Bands. So, and this is, by the way, I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles here. This is better for trend analysis if you just need to look real quick and get a grip of what the overall trend is in the short term. And as you can see, we were barely over the 50 here, still around the 50 mark, with that volume divergence touching the upper Bollinger Band, long wick to the upside there. Still a solid body on the green candle. And since we're on the 1 minute candles, you can't take each individual signal or indication as a confident position. You have to line up multiple things here. So that's why I always encourage lining up multiple indicators, just as I teach in the Informed Traders educational package, to find perfect storm trading scenarios like these. So we see bearish presence steps in. There's overall indecision in the market here. And then we have a just completely blow away bearish engulfing Heikin-Ashi candle here to the downside, breaching that lower Bollinger Band, taking us out of the squeeze. So I look for entry here just after that break, and we ride it down. We took half of our total profit potential. Like I said, we actually ended up getting more than half of the total profit potential because the limit ordered wherever it's at, that's where it's going to fill you. The limit is just the bare minimum you're willing to accept. If it is above that mark, likely Nadex will give you some more on top of what you limited your order out at, just because it's at a better price. So a limit order meaning it'll take you out at, let's say, $20 or better. So if it's at better, it will pay you better. So that's just a little brief tangent there about limit orders. But yeah, overall, guys, just a simple scenario here. As you can see, we have that long wick to the upside, short body, green candle. As you can see, the bullish divergence, the volume's going down, short-term trend going up. Overall means a weak bullish trend, opens up the possibility for a big downward move. We get that bullish engulfing candle. Now this is the one that made the indecision candle here, and then this is the establishing candle or our trigger candle. We got in here and we took profits at around here, I believe, one of these two candles. So not a very big move, but it yielded a nice short-term profit, and that's basically how it's done, guys. And you see I use most of the same indicators in every video. These are the same indicators I use in the Informed Traders educational package to cover in that video series of how to find trades just like these on a daily, hourly, or 5-minute basis, as you see here. In addition, I also offer the shadow trading program. Thank you to the new members. Proud to see your positive results here. We've been having a heck of a month of July. I think we've only had like 3 losses so far. We had 1 loss yesterday, but it was mitigated and then followed up by a nice win, leaving us with a great profit overall for the entire session. So I want to say thanks for that. And if you're interested in joining, be sure to check that link in the description below as well. We trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m., as you hear in the intro and outro. But that basically sums this one up, guys. A brief one. Not very much to explain here, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.